Okay, this is the thing. The on-off switch here. If you don't use it, turn it off. If it rains, got a rain day, just turn the switch and you see the display. And over here, press the on button until it says 2 if it rains, and go next. Okay, when that little light's flashing right there, that means it's raining, or you have the rain delay. This little thing up here, you flip it in. You flip this little tab up. And you flip that little tab up and stick it in. If for any reason, see, it goes in like that. If for any reason it loses its programming, stick that in and press that button on it. That light will flash and it'll say something like done when it's done. Don't take it out unless the button here. This holds the programming. Keep it right up there. Okay. Also, it has a battery backup in case power goes out, so you do not have to reprogram it. Okay, I'm going to turn it back off. And if you're not going to use it for a while, just turn it off. Do not worry about ABC. Okay, right there. Those are the lines. Right there, those are the lines for the cable and the water. And there's the line going right here. This is the plug. Right there. Never unplug that. Okay, if you need to unplug it, don't keep it unplugged for very long. Okay, but anyway, that's the way to do it. If you ever lose your programming, do that. Get that extra time pod. Now, if for any reason you want to redo the programming, this programming that's in there now is pretty good for just about all year round in Texas. So, but you will want to go to the Toro website, and you can Google it, the Extreme Time Pod software. Okay, and that'll help do it. But you won't have to do that. This hasn't been done for years. So, but if you have to, and that's really about it. Okay, this is the setup outside. It is undone for now, since it's winter time. I have no idea what station numbers these are, so it's just it's already wired, so you shouldn't have to do it. If you want to come out here and manually do it, there's that little thing right there. Yeah, not that one, that one right there. You turn that. Water will come out of those when it's on. That's just the way it works. The front two are similar, except there's a switch lever that you turn the whole thing. You'll see that when you